Good morning, everybody. It is Friday, May 15th, 2020. It is Cookie Party Day! You guys have just amazingly just racked out all of the Lexia levels. 150. We're actually at 156. Big shout out to Ryan completing all of first grade Lexia. Whoop, whoop! And Lachlan for passing the London level just yesterday. So they helped us get to 156. So I will be around today, guys, to see you guys and drop off all of those delicious chocolate chip cookies. And just remember, I'll be wearing my face mask because that's what is the safest. And we'll get to take a picture with your certificate just like before. I just made some new certificates. So your black bag is not as cool as last time. There's no Legos inside, but it does have a delicious cookie and a few other things. So I am super excited. Today, we're going to have a really light lesson because I want you to do your best to get onto Lexia today. And then I really would love to see you guys on your Google Meets for reading groups today. So since we have those two things, I wanted to make sure that your lesson was a little bit lighter today. So it'll be a little bit shorter. So today on our countdown to second grade, it is O Day for Organization Day. I bet your family would love it if you could try to organize your bedroom today. You can also ask an adult if they need help organizing something else. I know I always feel better when things are organized. So today for our sounds, we're going to go through it and do our 3-part drill. So first part, here we go. Ready? Let's say the sound. V, it, pull, O, O. What does that silent E say? Nothing. Tur, der, ung, a. That's it. Okay, get your hands up. I need to see those hands up. Here we go. Ready? Sh, unk, shunk. Shunk a word? Nope. Sh, ong, shong. Not a word. R, ong, wrong. Ooh, is that a word? It is a word if you listen to the spelling of it. But guess what? Wrong has a silent W at the beginning of it. Ready? B, ong, bong. Not a word. Dwa, ong, dwong. Not a word. Oop, I see an A at the end. There's no consonant afterwards that makes this open, so it's going to say the A sound. Dwa, A, dway. Not a word. Ooh, look at it. Closed it in, so now it's going to say the A sound. Dwa, af, dwaff. No. Kind of sounds like draft, doesn't it, if you lost your teeth? Dwa, apt, dwapped. Not a word. Dwa, aped, dwaped. Not a word. Bur, aped, braped. Not a word. Squa, aped, squaped. Not a word. Squa, ailed, squealed. Not a word. Squa, old, squolled. Not a word. I haven't seen any words in here yet. Squa, old, sold. Ooh, sold. Is sold a word? It is, but guess what? It actually has a different spelling. It has that O-L-D, just the O by itself. Got some tricky words in there today. Okay, so we only have 2 words since we're going to do a shorter thing. So let's see. What's our first step? Find the vowels. I see. Oh, look at that. I see E-E together. That's a vowel team. What does E-E say together? Let me hear you. It says E. And this E has no vowel team next to it, and it's in between. It's closed in between some consonants. So that means it is a closed vowel. Okay, so now let's go ahead and find our consonants. Ooh, I see a CH. What does that make it? This is actually a digraph. I have to keep those 2 letters together because they're going to say a different sound. So now I see a vowel, consonant, consonant, vowel. So we're going to break it in half. Ooh, my goodness. That didn't go right. Tell me you're still cool, Mrs. Howell. There we go. Okay, let's go ahead and tap this out. Sp, each, speech, less, less, speechless. Do you know what it means if you're speechless? Speechless means that you are having trouble coming up with the correct words. Now, when we say speechless, we usually say it with the I sound. That's that schwa, kind of has that a soft tone to it. It doesn't actually say, but speechless would make me think of the word speechless. Okay, so let's look for our vowels. I see a vowel right here. And I see a vowel right here. Oh, look at, I see a vowel team next to each other. That EE is going to say E. I see the vowel in between two consonants. That's going to be a closed. And then we got to look for our consonants. We have consonant. Oh, look at, I got a blend right here. Do you guys see the blend? I see the blend. Okay, here we go. Ready? Dis, discrete, discrete. Ooh, do you know what discreet means? It means when you're secretive about something, or you do it kind of like on the side. Okay, so new word well words. You guys have been practicing these all week. I hope you know them. House has that OU, has that ow sound, just like the loud clown. And the E is silent. 8, the EIGH makes the A sound. And then we have only, move, and learn. Only, move, and learn. So what I want to do today is I want to actually tap out our red words only so that we can practice that. Okay, so get your hand up on your shoulder. Remember, words go left to right. Here we go. We're going to do only. O-N-L-Y. Only. O-N-L-Y. Only. O-N-L-Y. Only. Okay, let's do move. Ready? M-O-V-E. Move. M-O-Me. That's not the right letter. M-O-V-E. Move. M-O-V-E. Move. Okay, ready for learn? L-E-A-R-N. Learn. L-E-A-R-N. Learn. L-E-A-R-N. Learn. Okay. So today, I said you guys were doing a shorter lesson, but not a nothing lesson. I need you to grab your notebook. If you don't have your notebook with you, go ahead and grab it right now. Or you can pause this and then do it at the end. Okay. So today, I would really like you guys to be reflective. Reflective means that you think about something that you've done. And I would like you to think about and be reflective of what you are so proud of that you've accomplished in first grade. You guys have been working so hard on Lexia and so hard during this distance learning and so hard in the classroom. I would like 3 sentences today about something you're proud of. Okay, so you guys can start it like this. I am proud that, or I am proud of, but their first 3 letters should be I am proud. Okay, so I'm going to go ahead and say stuff that I'm proud of that I've done. Okay, I am proud that I learned how to make videos, video lessons for my amazing first graders. That's something I'm really proud of. It was really challenging. Okay, so I am proud that I learned how to make video lessons for my amazing first graders. It was really challenging, so that made me really persevere. Okay, next, I am proud that I do Google Meets to see all of you. Finally, I am proud that you are all my first graders, because you guys have just been working so incredibly hard. So the 3 words that you got to have to start is I am proud, and then try to add some of those transition words. You guys know these transition words. I don't need to put them up here for you. You guys know them. So make sure in your journal you have it. If you want to read it to me when I get there, you can read it to me when I get to your house. If you just wanted to read it to someone in your family, that's fine too. So, okay, we're finishing up math. Remember, 10 less is great. We're going up on that 120 chart. So we're just going to watch the video today, and that's all we're going to do for the lesson.
Josh needs to shovel snow from 50 driveways. He has already shoveled 30 of them. How many driveways does Josh have left to shovel?
Remember,
You have
10
learned
less
a
is
few
great.
different ways to solve this subtraction problem. One way to solve the problem is to use a 100 chart. Where do you start on the 100 chart to subtract?
Where do I start? I'm going to start on the biggest number, and then I'm going to go up. 10 less is great. Remember, put your hands up in the air.
You start at 50 because it is the number of driveways that Josh has to shovel. What do you do to subtract 30 on the 100 chart?
What do I do?
Select your answer.
So this is a row right here, and this is a column. So do I want to go, if I'm going to subtract 30, do I want to go 1, 2, 3, move 3 columns, or do I want to move 3 rows? 1, 2, 3. Remember, 10 less is great. Put those hands in the air. I'm going to go up 3 rows.
You move up 3 rows since 30 is 3 tens. Each time you move up a row, you subtract 1 10. 50 minus 30 equals 20. Another way to solve the problem is to use a number line. What does the first hop from 50 to 40 show? It shows that you subtracted 110 from 50. So, what do the next 2 hops show?
What does it show us? Ready? So we're going to start on 50, take away 10, 20, 30. We go back 10. That's why we have to show if we're going back 10 or up 10, because if this said plus 10, my arrow was going this way, it would be 20 plus 10 plus 10. It's really important you have your plus or your minus.
They show that you subtracted 2 more tens, or 20 more. You subtracted 30 in all. So, 50 minus 30 equals 20. You can also think addition to subtract. How can you think addition to solve this problem?
Okay, so 3 groups of 10 plus how many groups of 10 would give you 50? Remember, we can do that. 3 plus what gives me 5? It's going to be 20.
Since Josh has already shoveled 30 driveways, he needs to shovel some more to shovel 50 driveways in all. So you can think about what number you should add to 30 to get 50. 30 plus 20 equals 50. So 50 minus 30 equals 20.
What's your favorite way to subtract?
So that's your goal today. Figure out what's the easiest way for you to subtract. Do you think about that 100 chart and going up? Do you prefer to open it on an open number line? Or do you prefer to think about addition? So you have 3 ways to subtract. So 3 ways to subtract tens. Okay? You can subtract other numbers besides tens, but you can use a 120 chart. You can use an open number line, or you can go ahead and you can think addition for subtraction. So those are your 3 options. So think about which one is easiest for you. Okay, so rest of your day, what you need to do with the video. You need to write your I am proud in your notebook, 3 sentences. You need to do Lexia for 15 minutes. That is your goal today, guys. Please try to get a little Lexia. It's our Lexia party. Rest of the day, wait for Mrs. Howell to bring you your cookie. I'm so excited to see your smiling faces. You can, I would love if you could join me on our Google, or for our books, for Google Meets for our reading group. Remember, I'll share the screen and we'll go through the book, okay? There's no read aloud for today, just so you guys know, because Miss Howell had to pack up the classroom and then get this lesson ready for you guys and all your cookies. So no read aloud today, but you get to read your Google Meets book with me. Here's something super important, guys. Please, 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 please. I am begging you for all of my first graders next year. I need you to get all of Mrs. Howell's books, all the books I sent home with you, and give them to me when I drop off your cookie. If you want to put them outside your door, you can. If you want to wait till I get there, and when you step outside to take our picture together, you can put them on the doorstep then. But I'm going to collect all of my books because I need those books for my first graders next year. For the rest of the year, you can use Epic or online has some good resources. I need you to keep your library book though. Miss Howell's not taking those books. Dr. West's email said that the library books are going to get turned into a big bin when you pick up your supplies in 2 weeks. Okay. Don't forget to fill out your Google form for Friday, and I will see you at 6:30 for the 150 Alexia level cookie party. So I hope we're all there. Don't forget, we're going to try to take another class picture. You may not want to come in your pajamas, but it is up to you how you would like your class picture. I figured out a way to remove our names so that way we could see each other better. So I miss you guys. I cannot wait to see you later. I will be there at your door. Remember, you can't touch me even though I want to give you a hug so badly. But we get to wave to each other and talk to each other, and we'll get to take a picture together, and I'll make another little video of those. So I miss you guys. I'll see you soon with your cookies. Bye.